Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge question number 27, rotate image. It's a mid-level question and you are given a two-dimensional array as you can see in this image, and you have to rotate this two-dimensional array and like this. So I thought this should be a tough question, which is actually, but after actually like mapping and all, it results in such a small code which I have submitted and got the result. And again, this happened. After submitting, it's saying it's not have much submissions. This cannot show the data. Okay, fine. Don't show me any data. Just tell me that this code is correct. Okay. So thank you for watching, and I will post more videos.